Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 15 and 16 of class 7 subject GK. The name of the chapter is Ancient Architectures. Built without the machinery and modern technology we have come out to depend on today, these architectural wonders of the ancient world are nothing short of impressive. Now, here are some pictures and the description of some ancient architecture given below. You have to identify the names of these architectures, okay children, with the description given to you. First one, this is a national monument of Spain, built 1900 years ago. It is 55 meters tall and located in Garlica, Spain. It is an ancient lighthouse even in use today. So name of this is Tower of Hercules. So write TOWER, Tower OF of Hercules. So write HERCULES, Hercules. Second one, it is the first UNESCO heritage site of Iran. It is a famous temple of Iran built in 1200 BC. Although it is 3000 years old, it is still in good condition. So name of this is Choga Zanbil. Okay, so write CHOGHAZANBIL. Third one, this is the largest stupa located at Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. It is one of the tallest structure of the ancient time. The height of this stupa is 122 meters. So name is Jetwana Dagoba. So write the spelling JAETAVANA Jetwana Dagoba, DAGOBA. Fourth one, this is one of the important Buddhist temple in Southeast Asia. It is also a very important heritage site of Vedantam. The towers of this temple date back to the 4th century. Its name is Temple of My Sun. Write TEMPLE, Temple OF of MY My SON, Sun. Okay. Now coming to the next page number 20, we have chapter number 16, Lost Cities of the World. Now look at the pictures of the lost cities of the world and read the given description. Write the names of the lost cities in the given blanks. You may use the hint box. On the 21 page number you are having the hint box. So first one we have, it is the country Egypt, founded 3100 BC, abandoned 7th century AD. This city was abandoned due to economic crisis. Okay, so you are going to write the name of the lost city with the picture. It is Jeff Bezos. Okay, sorry children, it is Memphis. So write MEMPHIS. Okay, second one, country Turkey, founded abandoned 500 AD. The city was destroyed due to war. It is Troy. So write TROY, Troy. Now third one, country Iraq, founded 1894 BC, abandoned 7th century AD. The city was destroyed due to war. So it is Petra. Right? PETRA, Petra. Okay children. Now the fourth one, country Jordan, founded 5th century BC, abandoned 663 AD. The city was destroyed by earthquake. It is Babylon. So write BABYLON, Babylon. Fifth one, country Mexico, founded 600 AC, abandoned 400 AD. The city was destroyed by Spanish invader. Answer is Chichen Itza. So write CHICHEN, Chichen Itza, ITZA. Sixth one, country Peru, founded 1450 AD, abandoned 1572 AD. The city was destroyed by Spanish conquest. It is Machu Picchu. So write MACHU, Machu Picchu, PICCHU, CCHU, Machu Picchu. Seventh one, country Italy, founded 7 BC or 6 BC, abandoned 79 AD. The city was destroyed by volcanic eruption. It is Pompeii. So write POMPEII, Pompeii. Eighth one, it is country India, founded 14th century AD, abandoned 16th century AD. The city was destroyed due to war. It is Vijayanagar. Write VIJAYANAGAR. So children, you are going to complete your chapter number 15 and chapter number 16 in your textbook. Okay, thank you.